Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I will be doing my first Halloween set for the year, so let's get started onto that. So here I got some purple polygel, I have clear polygel, this is also a clear one, I just got a refill, and I'm using green gel polish. I have one that's just a solid color and I have one that is glitter. So now that I've shown you guys what I'm using, let's get started on the nail prep. I already put on some clear top coat, so next I'm going to glue on my tips. I'm using these triple XL coffin tips. Next I'm going to clip these down with my nail clipper. Next I'm going to do a little bit of filing with my hand file. So I'm not going to go any further with the e-file, I'm just going to go right into the polygel application. First I'm going to do French tips, so I'm going to start off with the purple polygel. I'm also using 91% isopropyl alcohol as my solution. now that I'm done with the purple polygel, I'm going in with my hand file. I'm just going to file around the smile line and get it as crisp and nice as possible, and also try to match each and every one together. Now that I'm done filing the smile line, I'm going in with my top coat and I'm just going to put like a thin layer over these. Next, I'm going to add clear polygel on top. Now that I'm fully done with Polygel application, I'll get to filing these. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with all of the filing and buffing, so let's get started on the nail design. Now for the nail design, this is going to be like a slime nail design. I don't know if y'all have seen it where they show like blood dripping, but instead this is going to be green. First, I'm going to do the French outline with the glitter gel polish. For this next design, I'm doing the drips. So as you can see here, if you look closely at the liner brush, there's like a little bulb of gel polish, like a little droplet, and you just place it on the nail and then drag it upward so that it gives that illusion of like drips or like, you know, drops. That's the best way that I can explain it. I know that's terrible, but I'm better at showing than telling. I find that this method is easier to do because it is way quicker and way more efficient. Instead of having to draw out these droplets one by one, you can just place it down, drag it up, and boom, you're done. I hope this helped you guys if you're going to do your own, you know, nail designs, because I am terrible at explaining things. I'm way better at showing than telling. I always try to explain it the best that I can, you know, try to make things beginner friendly. This came out so good. Usually when I do these drips, they don't look as like good as this, but oh my gosh, guys, finally. But for the next part, this time I'm going to do the drip design, but on the back of the nails, so it like peeks through the front. It's gonna be so cool. Now for this next design, I'm just placing random green blobs all over the clear part of the nail. I don't know if it's just me, but when I was doing this design, I immediately thought of the Nickelodeon Kids Rewards, I think that's what it's called, where they just threw green slime on the celebrities. So I'm basically done with the nail design and it turned out so good. So next I'm going to put on some top coat. Next I'm putting on cuticle oil. Here are how the nails turned out, and guys, this set is literally insane. Like, this set really embodies Halloween, and the drips came out so good, the outline looks so good, and the slime just looks so cool. I think this is a good start for Halloween, and I got plenty of more sets to go. But tell me, what do you guys think of this set? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you wish I could have done something differently? And what do you think about this just as a Halloween set? Do you think that this is a cool set to do? And would you guys try this out? Now let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it. If you would like to see more content from me, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching, and bye.